What's up, everybody? It's your boy named Jarvis Davis in the cut. Now, it's been a minute since I did an unboxing video, and the title speaks for itself. The title speaks for itself on this one. I made a tweet out on this specific situation, right? If it wasn't for this specific, I did a reaction video, right? If they never added this character in the game, I would never got this game in the first place, right? Mortal Kombat 1. And I said I would never get this game. I would never get this game. Right? Well, I got it in my possession. I would never got this game if it wasn't for Reptile. So I got it. And it's time for an unboxing video. If it wasn't for Reptile, I would never got this game. And yes, this is the premium edition. It's time for the unboxing video. And also, the steel book looks so clean. The steel book is clean, bro. So, yeah, it's time for the unboxing. Yes, sir. I gotta be careful. I'm glad I got a disc right here. So, all unboxing videos I ever done. I got my disc right here. I got my games and stuff that I ever done is all right here on this disc. So, yeah. So basically everything is collected. Yes, sir. So, yeah. All nice and clean and crisp. Yeah. Ooh-wee. Yes, sir. I gotta be careful with the disc. The disc is right here. So let's put this bad boy right there. There we go. Mortal Kombat 1 unboxing video. Tell me what y'all think. Yes. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Okay? Yeah. Mortal Kombat 1. It's your boy named Jarvis Davis, and I am out. Peace out.